はい、皆さんこんばんは。元気ですか？もう今日も夜遅くなりましたが、今日も一生懸命ビデオレッスンしますよ。皆さんどうですか？ Hi everyone. My name is Terumi. I'm native Japanese. I'm teaching Japanese for 6 years now. And then I'm the one that I couldn't speak English at all. 6 years ago, 7 years ago, I couldn't speak any other language. Now I can speak English.A little bit I make mistake, but okay, I can speak English and I can speak Greek, yasu, tikanis, and also I can speak German a little bit, Guten Morgen, biggest dear. So that's why maybe I'm the little bit rare Japanese that who can speak 4 languages, including my mother language. But how I grow up is 28 years I grew up in Japan.Normally, my mother is Japanese, my father is Japanese, and I went to the public normal Japanese school, and I didn't go university because I just didn't like the study. And I started working from 16 years old. I went to the high school, but I started working as a office worker from age 18. And I worked so hard, and then I started traveling.Quite many places, and I realized, okay, the language is so important. My dream is to become an English speaker, but in Japan we don't have any foreigners, so I don't have any chance to practice English. So I was just dreaming, but it's not serious dreaming. I'm living in Japan. I don't have anyone to talk. Okay, I was giving up, but I start seeing the world. Yes.English is something I can expand my life more. And okay, let's go to Tokyo. Maybe I can see more foreigner. Okay, let's try more things. And then I start a business. That was a cooking school. And then I start traveling more. And then now actually I'm living in Greece. So then never imagine myself 4 language speaker. I mean, German.I just started few months ago, so the really, really low level. But what I can say to you, don't give up. You can speak Japanese in 2 months. 2 months? Really? 2 months? Its kanji is 2,500. Vocabulary is 50,000 vocabulary. Yeah, grammar is endless. It's never-ending story is the Japanese study.But 2 months? Can I? Is it fake? Tell me, hey, you are fake story you're making. No. I said you will be able to speak Japanese in 2 months because we will practice only speaking without grammar, without vocabulary, and without test, a proficiency or something. We focus on the speaking. So what is a speaking anyway? You are maybe native English speaker, or you are maybe native Italian speaker, Greek speaker, German speaker, French speaker, whatever. Can you talk about anything, all of these things in the world in the native language?Can you be a best presenter? Can you be a YouTuber in your native language? Oh, I don't know. I can be a best YouTuber, even my mother tongue, which is native language. Why? Because no one can speak about everything. You cannot talk about, if you're not interested in the business, you cannot talk about the business for 1 hour, 2 hours, even with your native language. If you're not interested in the politics, you cannot talk about politics for 2 hours with your native language. So, we are speaking a specific category. Which is you like something. If you like gaming, you can talk about gaming for 1 hour. If you like about music, you can talk about music for 1 hour. But this category is coming from you, that you like, the things you like. So 2 months you can talk in Japanese fluently the topic that is most frequently used. So, most frequently used topic you can speak in Japanese perfectly, fluently. So, this is, in my lesson, I say how to speak Japanese in 2 months. For example, what is the most frequently used sentence in Japanese? In Japanese, which means with Japanese people. You don't talk, hey, what's up? What did you do yesterday? How many hours are you working? Oh, I'm looking for the job. Okay, this is useful sentence. But do you have, how many, Japanese friends do you have right now? 10? 1 or 0? So, what is the most frequently used sentence with Japanese people today? If you want to communicate with Japanese people today, what sentence is most frequently used? So this is, we will discover everything. What is the most frequently? For example, oh, are you Japanese? Can you ask in Japanese? Oh, are you Japanese? Oh, what is your job? Oh, what is your hobby? If somebody say, I want to learn English actually. You are from foreigner because your face is foreigner. Why you want to learn English? Do you want to go somewhere? You want to live? So, actually, most frequently used sentences is self-introduction. You introduce your culture and you ask this stranger Japanese, where are you from? And people will ask you, oh, you're a foreigner. Your face is definitely not Japanese. Where are you from? What do you want to do? Why you are learning Japanese? Why? If I say, I'm learning Greek. Yasu, tikanis. Oh, why you can speak Greek? Why you can speak Japanese? Why you are learning Japanese? This is the most frequently used sentences. So, these most frequently used topic in Japanese, we can learn in 2 months and you can speak perfectly. And then, actually, now I can speak this, 4 languages. The last German is not really actually, how can I say, not super confident, but 3 languages are definitely I can speak about myself for more than 1 hour. Japanese, English, Greek. Yeah, now I'm practicing German. I don't do any grammar because I'm focusing on the speaking because I really want to communicate with the people and I really want to make friends. So I will go for most frequently used sentences. First of all, why are you learning German? What do you want to do in Germany? What do you like about Germany? So then I actually, pick up the all frequently used sentences and I actually practice the pronunciation when you can use these phrases and how can I react? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I'm so interested in it. I'm looking for these things in your country. All this communication, most frequently used sentences in the communication with a native. So today let's learn. This is a very useful and it's most of people actually don't know how to use this はじめましてin Japanese. Do you know how to use it exactly and when and how? So because actually I'm doing the free consultation also and then 3 people already asked me how can they use this はじめまして. That's why I think I should make this video. So はじめまして is actually you can translate in English is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, yes, but Japanese culture, we need a Japanese way. Nice to meet you, hi. This is American culture like hi, nice to meet you. はじめまして. So then when you see Japanese people, oh, they are Japanese. Can I use it? はじめまして。Boo. Boo. You can't use it. Stranger, はじめまして you can't use it. So, what does it mean exactly this はじめまして in Japanese? With the Japanese way, not English Japanese. Not Japanese with English way. Japanese with Japanese way we need. Otherwise, it's people. So, はじめまして is definitely you will become a friend with this person. So, like a class, in the class, you attend some class, and then, hi, my name is Terumi. Nice to meet you. はじめまして. Hi. はじめまして. So, we will be a friends, right? Because this is a classmate. It's a new class. You can use it. Like, you attend a yoga class. You will continue this yoga class for 1 year. Hi. My name is Terumi. はじめまして. Nice to meet you. But stranger, you can use it. Oh, I will be your friend. I will be your friend. I will be your friend. Who are you? はじめまして. はじめまして. I don't know you. Who are you? So you can't use it to the stranger. Only you can use はじめまして is when you are sure I will be your friends. Hi, new class. Hi, new team. I am the new member of your team. Hi. はじめまして Nice to meet you. So of course you can say はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして。I will be your friend. I will be your friend. I will be your friend. This is はじめまして. Okay? So stranger, how can you start talking with a nice way? Not, oh, I'm not your friend. What is that? はじめまして。はじめまして. It's a bit weird guy. Don't be a weird guy. So how can you communicate with a stranger so you can actually start talking? Maybe she or he is the one that is maybe can change your life. Maybe he can introduce a job. Or he's already having a big company. Something you can get the new opportunity. You don't know, but you said, はじめまして. I will be your friend. No. I can't. Your Japanese something is wrong. It's a bit confusing. So that's why don't make them feel like this. You can use correct phrase. So correct phrase is actually we don't have it. Even こんにちは is a bit weird. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. こんにちは stranger. Good afternoon. Okay, I think the stranger, this foreigner want to talk something. Hi, good afternoon, good evening world, good afternoon world. Something like that. It's just weird if you say, even こんにちは、こんにちは、こんばんは、はじめまして、はじめまして、はじめまして. So, what is a natural way to start making the conversation with a stranger? So, something like you are maybe in Japan. You are in Japan and it's full of Japanese, right? Full of Japanese every day. So what is a natural way to start making the conversation? Is something you need to ask. This is the easiest way. Suddenly, すみません. Excuse me. How can I go this place? You're searching the restaurant. You can even pretend if you want to make conversation. You're searching, let's say you want to go this restaurant. どうやったらこのレストランに行けますか? すいません. Excuse me, how can I go this restaurant? You can speak Japanese. 日本語喋れるんですね。すごいですね。いえ、練習中です。I'm just practicing. How can I get there? You have a nice impression now. Oh, you're a foreigner, but you can speak Japanese. Amazing. 日本語喋れるんですね。いや、ちょっと、a little bit. I'm just practicing, and I want to talk, so that's why, ちょっと喋りたいんです。今練習中で。そういえば、レストランは、ここまっすぐ行ったところですよ。By the way, the restaurant is, go straight. わかりました。ありがとうございます。Thank you so much. Maybe, that was the place that you can wait the train, you still have the time, maybe you can ask more things. ちょっと練習してもいいですか? Can I practice Japanese a little bit? Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, もちろん、どうぞ。大丈夫ですよ。Yeah, I have time. Anyway, I'm waiting the train. そうだから、仕事は何なんですか? What is your job? So this is the best way to start making the communication actually. Or if you're not living in Japan, this is, you have every day this chance because if you're living in Japan. But if you're not living in Japan, what is the best way to start making the conversation without making them like, good afternoon. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Nice to meet you. I will be your friend. Not this way. Natural way. So this is, for example, maybe he's from Asia. Asian person, I can see it. Maybe Japanese person. Let's talk because I'm learning Japanese. I want to use it. Yes, let's talk. Then, 日本人の方ですか? Are you Japanese? はい、そうです。Yes. 今日本語勉強しているんです。I am learning Japanese. 私はもうホンダのファンなんです。I'm huge fan of car Honda. そうなんですか。I see actually my cousin is working in Honda. いとこホンダで働いていますよ。そうなんですか。Really? Best way to start making the conversation. So this is something really natural way and maybe at least if you can learn はじめまして is something that you cannot use to the stranger. So at least let's learn. And then you can step up this natural conversation. So if you're interested in my lesson and if you're really seeking to speak Japanese fluently and you don't want to wait for 20 years, finish the kanji, finish the vocabulary, and then step by step, and going back and back, forgetting something, a little bit learning, and forgetting something, I still don't feel, how can I speak Japanese? If you are struggling, please register my newsletter to learn how to skyrocket your Japanese speaking skill. So thank you so much. ありがとうございました。